Student, in previous video we studied about our basic types of constructions. Now we are going to learn actual part of our lesson. First type is construction of similar triangles. You studied different types of properties of similar triangles. Main properties: corresponding sides are in proportion for similar triangles. Okay, and you have to use this property for this kind of construction. Okay, now see, our example is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR in ABC. AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4.2 centimeter, AC equal to 6.0 means 6 centimeter, and one ratio is given: AB to PQ is 3:2. Construct triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, for this you have to firstly draw rough diagram. For rough diagram, 1 mark, half mark for rough diagram. Okay, our solution: firstly draw for rough diagram. Now see, AB is to PQ is 3:2, means AB is greater and PQ is smaller. Draw similar triangle like this. ABC is greater and PQR is smaller. Okay, I am drawing here. Not exactly similar, but similar. ABC and here also PQR. One is smaller and one is greater. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay. Measures of ABC are given. Write that measures. AB is 5.4 centimeter. AC is 6.0 means 6 centimeter, and BC is 4.2 centimeter. No any measure of this PQR not given. Now, how to decide measures of PQR? Without measures we can't draw any triangle. Therefore, write your property of similar triangle. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR is your given. Therefore, AB upon PQ, corresponding sides, AB upon PQ, then BC upon QR, then AC upon PR are equal, and ratio of corresponding sides. Okay, then take one pair AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ is given 3 upon 2. Then BC upon QR. BC upon QR is like this. Okay, you can do another way also. No need to do this. You can directly because your value of AB is given. You can put this value AB AB upon PQ equal to 3 upon 2. Value of AB is 5.4 upon PQ equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, now PQ, 3 into PQ, and this 5.4 into 2. 5.4 into 2 upon 3 equal to PQ. 1 za 1.8 za, because 18 3 za 54. PQ is your 3.6. 18 2 za 36. PQ is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, this is PQ. Now same way you have to find QR and other. Okay, I am writing here. See, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ is given 3 upon 2. Then BC also given 4.2 upon QR. See, QR equal to 4.2 into 2 upon 3. QR equal to 1 za and point, that is 14 3 za 42. 14 2 za 28, 2.8 centimeter. Now for third, AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR. AB upon PQ is a 3 upon 2. AC upon PR. AC, value of AC is a 6 upon PR. PR equal to 6 into 2 upon 3. PR equal to 3 1 za 3 2 za, that is 4 centimeter. And now you can draw both triangles. Okay, firstly draw this triangle ABC. ABC 4.2 is the base. Draw base firstly. 4.2 BC. Then take distance 5.4 for this point A. Make arc like this, and then 6 centimeter for AC. Like this. You can erase this arc, remaining arc, after completing your diagram, and then draw AB and AC, and write down here your distances 5.4 and 6.0. Okay, now draw this one. Our QR is 2.8. QR 2.8 centimeter. Then PQ is 3.6. PQ 3.6. I am taking with the help of scale and compass. 3.6. Okay, make arcs. then PR 4 centimeter. Like this, you can see these two triangles are looking similar. Write down measures. PQ is 3.6 centimeter and PR is 4 centimeter. See, I am revising steps. Firstly, you have to draw rough diagram. Then write down property. Property is that our ratio of corresponding side is same. Then take with the pair. आपको जो रेशो उन्होंने दिया है उनके साथ आपको पेयर लेनी है. पहले वो डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. हमने पी क्यू का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट किया उसी रेशो से. देन फॉर पी क्यू आर वी आर टेकिंग हियर पेयर with given ratio AB upon PQ and BC upon QR. Then our QR is 2.8. Similarly, PR is 4 centimeter. Then firstly draw your first triangle and then draw your second triangle. Understood? Now see, our second example is construct any triangle ABC. Construct triangle A dash B C dash such that AB is to A dash B is 5 is to 3 and ABC similar to triangle A dash B C dash. Means you have to draw triangle ABC, any triangle ABC. There is no any condition for triangle ABC, but there is a condition for second triangle, triangle A dash B dash, A dash B C dash, and the condition is that ratio of AB is to A dash B is 5 is to 3. Ratio is 5 is to 3. Okay, then see how to draw. Firstly, draw your rough diagram triangle ABC. Because rough diagram is necessary to solve question. See here, like this. This is your triangle A, B, C. Okay, and now your condition is AB is to A dash B is 5 is to 3. मीन्स यहाँ पे देखो, आप देख सकते हो. सपोज ए बी when we divide AB in same 5 parts, then among them 3 parts are A dash B. They will A dash B, 3 parts only. So our A dash will here like this, A dash. Okay, and then our C dash also same. Then these two lines are like this, and your another triangle is like this. You have to construct this kind of figure, and for that you have to firstly write down your property. Triangle ABC similar to triangle A dash B C dash, and in this AB upon A dash B, see, AB upon A dash B equal to BC upon BC dash and AC upon A dash C dash. Okay, then how to draw this kind of figure? When only when one vertex of triangle is common and another two are on the line, okay, on the sides of original triangle. Then how to draw this? See, firstly draw any triangle ABC like this. I am drawing here any triangle. There is no any measures for this. Just A, B, C. Now you have to divide this and this in 5 parts. This arc, this side AB and BC in 5 parts. Then how to draw? How to draw this? See, I am showing you in previous. You have to make angle here, one angle. There is no need to measure. You can draw any angle. Then make 5 parts of this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then join these parts. You have to remember these two lines are parallel lines, like parallel lines, not perfect parallel, but it will parallel. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our condition is that our first 3 parts are of B, C dash, means this is 1, 2, 3 third part, and this will your C dash. You have to join this point and you have to again draw parallel line. Then how to draw parallel line? Make arc, measure firstly this angle, and my angle is of 51 degree. Again make 51 degree angle here. I am measuring this angle. This angle is 51 degree. You have to make 51 degree here also. Make 51 degree angle here. My 51 is here, and join this. Okay, and this is your B dash. This is your B dash. Understood? Sorry, A dash. This is your A dash. Understood? Okay. Now see our third question. Construct triangle A dash B dash C dash similar to triangle ABC such that AB is to A dash B is 5:7. Then how to draw? Firstly draw your triangle ABC. Triangle ABC here like this. Then now see your A dash B. A dash B is 7 part, means your A dash is outside of the triangle, it will be here. I am taking here A dash. Means if suppose A dash B is 7 centimeter, then your AB will 5 centimeter, like this. In this way you have to again take C dash outside of this original and then join A dash C dash, like this. Then how to draw this construction? First step is draw any triangle ABC. Any triangle ABC. Then divide segment, this BC segment, into 5 parts as we shown in previous video. Divide it into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and join these parts with parallel lines. Like this. Now see, our BC is only 5 parts out of 7, means 2 parts are remaining, which are extended lines. You have to mark that 2 parts. One is this and second one is this. That means this is your C dash. And now for this you have to make same 1 and 2. Okay, now join these 2, or you can draw, there is no need to make this, directly draw parallel line from this point. Directly draw parallel lines, no need to draw these arcs. This will your A dash, and this is your triangle AB, A dash B C dash. Understood? Then you have to solve practice set 4.1. Thank you.